Mir Abdul Karim Nousherwani is a Pakistani politician who was a member of the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan between 1985 and May 2018. He was born in Kharan District. He has received Islamic education and is an agriculturist by profession. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan in 1985 Pakistani general election. He ran for the seat of the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan as a candidate of IJI Constituency PB-33 Kharan in 1988 Pakistani general election but was unsuccessful. He received 6,206 votes and lost the seat to an independent candidate, Dost Muhammad Muhammad Hassani. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan as a candidate of JWP Constituency PB-33 Kharan in 1990 Pakistani general election. He received 12,648 votes and defeated an independent candidate, Dost Muhammad Muhammad Hassani. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan as a candidate of BNM from constituency PB-33 Kharan in 1997 Pakistani general election. He received 11,103 votes and defeated a candidate of Balochistan National Party. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League Q from constituency PB-46 Kharan in 2013 Pakistani general election. He received 3,413 votes and defeated Sanullah Balok. This article about a member of the Provincial Assembly of Balochistan is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.